we're going to show you PFP monitoring network infrastructure equipment. In this case, a Cisco 3845 integrated services router. This router was one of the targets for Knock, which made a firmware implant for the routers, and was very difficult to detect at the time. In order to do the monitoring, we follow a completely air-gapped approach, no electrical contact with the device or no software loaded in the device that we're monitoring. We simply introduce an antenna to pick up all the unintended electromagnetic emissions directly from the hardware, the router hardware. And we feed those signals to our power monitor, rack mount, which does all the processing. In order to perform the monitoring, we follow a challenge response approach. Our PMON issues a command to force the router to exercise its firmware. In this case, it's the def command. The router has to run its firmware to respond, although we completely ignore that answer, that response. We only analyze the signals we picked up with the antenna. Every time you see a dot, we have issued a command and we've done the analysis to see whether the right version of firmware is loaded. We are going to proceed to do the firmware implant. And you see the PFP immediately caught the reflash for the device and proceeded to identify that the tamper version had been loaded.